All right, today we're going to bring a small portable LED light. Now, this is great if you're going to be streaming or if you're going to be a conference call or any kind of social media that you're going to do with this. This is perfect for any of your TikToks and so forth. Now, a couple items that they include with there, right? They have this touchable system where it actually has a little indentation here that kind of clips on the back of the actual system itself. If you guys can see that. And here you could throttle either way on the bottom or on the top. This is for your tripod. If you're going to do it horizontal or vertical, you can do that. So very simple. Just you could remove this very easy. Now, if you don't want to use it, you can always put it away. See that the kickstand? This is how it stretches out and then gets any kind of phone. This works perfect. I have a actual Ultra 21 here and it fits pretty good. Now, if you're going to put it on, you want to make sure you access the cameras when you're filming, all right? And the actual light could be in front of it too. So now other ways you can use it too, we're going to demonstrate, but if you're not using this, you could turn it off here. You could just close these out. All right. Now, the best thing about, I like that this grip grabs into pretty much anything, your laptop, your desktop, and so forth. Now, if you have a camera, there's a little hole in here, and you can always do it this way too, if you guys notice. So we actually could record ourselves in front of a camera, and it grows on pretty good if you guys can see that. All right, so just as long as you're balancing it out in the center and have it centerized, and that's pretty much it. Now they do give you a charging station. If you guys see, it's a type C to type A. All right, to turn on button, it's right here, power, and this is mode 2. And also you have plus and minus and the charging stations. All right, you have a micro USB and a type C. Now this station has different multiple lights. We're going to show you guys the different multiple lights that it has, and we're going to demonstrate. And also when you turn it on, it has a little glass here in the back. It tells you how much bars you have, how much current you have for your actual light. So it'll last you for many hours as long as you keep it charged, or you could constantly keep it connected to a power source and charge it at the same time. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works at night. So this is the first level of the actual mode that we have. It's more like a yellow and a white kind of colors that we have. We're going to hit the mode again. And this was more like a daylight mode, if you guys can see that. And then we hit the last one, it goes into the yellow mode. So that's only 3 modes that it has, but the coloring of the actual lighting, it looks really good on the camera. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.